Morning, the machine which is called as special purpose machine, which you are seeing in this film, is rotary indexing type of special purpose machine. This is a 5-way 6-station rotary indexing SPM, specially made for one aluminum component which is used in automotive industry. The component name is bracket, and as you see in the machine there are 6 stations. We will be seeing these operations one by one subsequently. There is a 2.8 mm drilling in the station number 2, then M3 tapping. There is a 4.65 drilling also, and M5 drilling. Both the taps, M5 tapping, both the taps are roll taps used in this particular machine. At the back side, which will be subsequently seeing, at the back side there is a 9 mm horizontal drilling also. To the machine, these are the 2 holes to be drilled for 2.8 mm and M3, and these are the 2 holes drilling 4.5 and M5. This is the finished component which you are seeing right now. These 2 holes have been drilled and tapped, and these 2 holes also have been drilled and tapped. This is additional hole which on the machine you can see at the back side. This is an additional hole, horizontal one, 9 mm drilling. Now you will see the component being loaded on the station number 1. It is located, oriented, and then clamped manually. Now the auto cycle will be started on. On station 1, that is this first station, drilling is taking place. On station 2, फक्त झालेला जॉब इकडे दाखवा. चेंजेस होतात ना ते दिसले पाहिजे. Which you are observing in the shooting is hydraulically operated fully auto cycle hydraulic machine. The cycle, as you can see, is rapid approach, feed, and then after feed rapid return. At the back of the machine you will see the hydraulic power pack. This particular machine is capacity 10 mm. We have a range of up to 35 mm. Similar machines fully auto cycle hydraulically operated depending on the need of the component. The machine has limit switches also. to control the depth of the drilling, and it has also got a depth stopper here.